Send smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings out to everybody. Across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
Hi, my name is Majorie Walker, and I'm sending greetings from Florida. I want to send greetings to my brother, Sarani Cameron in Montego Bay. Everyone know him as C-Roll. And I also want to send greeting to my father, Melton Cameron in Lickleport, Montego Bay. Everyone know him as Pa or Forward. And I also want to send greetings to my sister-in-law, Dawn. You know I love you. My nephew, I love you. And I just want to send greetings to Miss Joy in Green Island. And I also want to send greetings to my aunt in Montego Bay, Flower Hill, all my aunties, Sonia, Lynn, Sharon. I want to send greetings to my uncle Wesley. Everyone know him in Flower Hill as Lassie. All my family in Flower Hill. I know God protect you all through the storm. I want you all to have a Merry, Merry Christmas, and I love you all. My nephew and everyone, Merry Christmas to the whole Jamaica.
Hi all, this is Carlos in Birmingham. Just sending out some greetings. Yeah, people talking, that's my mum talking over there. Even though I'm going to say Merry Christmas to my mum, she's actually here. So yeah, this is an interesting one. I'm going to call out my mum. Merry Christmas, mum. Marine Row. All the rows down Flaggerman and St. Elizabeth, the Ebanks, the Blakes, the Parchment, my mum. Everyone, the Powells, the Gordons. Also, I want to please give a massive birthday Christmas greetings to my Campbell family, my big Campbell family over Portmore and Clarendon, Lucky Valley to be precise, yeah? And also, massive Christmas celebrations to all my Kingston family as well. Gareth included, Mr. Cobran, the one and only, the Truth and the family. So yeah, have a great Christmas. I know times are hard right now for everybody out there because right now it's in real time, so we all know what's going on with you out there, but we know we're made from stronger stuff, and yeah, everything's gonna be all right, trust. Merry Christmas to everybody there, Jamaica, from Birmingham, from me to you, from cold England to warm Jamaica, spreading love.
Hello, my Jamaican family and friends and schoolmates and everyone. I'm Yvette Royce, and I just want to say Merry Christmas to you all. And I want to say some names. I might not give all the names. From your castle for all the Lukes and the Roys and the Henrys and the Cornishes and all my families, I want to say Merry Christmas to you and pray that God will be with you and take care of you during this season. And all my other friends, Pansy and all the Royce family. We have a big Royce family there, so I just want to hail up the Royce family and the Lukes. And God bless you and give you a successful year. Merry Christmas to all my Jamaican friends. From Yorkcastle to Claremont to St. Anne's Bay and all the schools that I've been on, I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you all.
Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. I love alone, we are saying it out digitally. To friends and to we family, and the real ones we're halfway. In at them hard thoughts, no we far apart. Chants, greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with greetings across the world. Brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.